And Uganda has over the years been a front runner in the implementation of the 2030 agenda.
In a meeting with Professor Jeeffrey Sachs, Prime Minister Robina Nabanja highlighted the strides Uganda has undertaken in supporting the implementation of sustainable development goals. These, among others, include supporting policies and frameworks that Uganda has developed on implementation of SDGs, which integrate the SDGs into national policies.
These frameworks provide a roadmap for integrating the SDGs into national policies, plans and programs, and ensure coordinated actions across various actors or sectors.
Premier Nabbanja noted that Uganda's current National Development Plan is also highly aligned with the SDGs. She says the process of developing the National Development Plan is also geared towards SDGs. Prime Minister also highlighted the country's 6 commitments towards achievement of SDGs by 2030.
Accelerating leave no one behind agenda through the inclusive parish development model. Accelerating inclusive economic and social development through climate change adaptation and mitigation. Number 5 is accelerating efforts to harness the full potential of data to improve the lives of all Ugandans.
However, Nabbanja was dismayed over lending agents' high interests on some loans.
Forward to gaining knowledge from you on how Uganda can secure long-term, low-interest loans. Yes. Long-term, low-interest loans, and relax some of the loan conditions.
Professor Jeeffrey Sachs noted the concern over conditions and high interest of credit lending agencies.
Is the credit rating agencies and the IMF and the World Bank are not yet doing the right thing. So they are mistaken in their analytical approach. When I said this last year to senior technocrats at Moody's, which is one of the main credit rating agencies, they said to me, "But Mr. Sachs, we don't understand anything about development. We just predict credit events."
He asked developing countries to minimize debts and opt for long-term loans.
So there could be trouble in 7 years. Oh, you can't roll over the debt. It's too high. We have a crisis. Back to the IMF. And this is the cycle that needs to be broken. We need a long-term vision, a long-term investment strategy, and long-term loans.
Professor Sachs further asked Uganda to have more partnership with the countries that have already advanced in technology to create funding and strengthen economic ties with the regional powers. He asked Uganda to prioritize investment in education, public health, industry, transport, sustainable agriculture, and electricity.
You, Prime Minister, are an experienced teacher. You know what a difference it makes. It makes all the difference. I want to make sure every child in this country is in a good school with qualified teachers. Healthcare can really be dramatically improved. The coverage can be universal.
This meeting was a follow-up from the 2023 SDG Summit. Susan Naongan Juma Nsamba reporting for UBC TV.